People in weather-affected regions are being urged to reassess their long weekend plans. Waimakariri and Rakaia river levels remain high, with residents in Kairaki and Pines Beach and North and South Rakaia huts being urged to voluntarily evacuate overnight. Greymouth and Clutha are facing water shortages, and thousands of people in several regions remain without power. There are extensive highway closures across the South Island, and Canterbury Police District Commander Tony Hill says people should reconsider travel.
If you've made plans to travel to holiday destinations, please check first to make sure those locations are open to you. There's a lot of work that needs to be done to get some of those roads open.
Health officials are looking into why Nelson Hospital's emergency generator failed to kick in yesterday. The hospital was left relying on a backup battery to keep critical systems running when power went out across the Upper South Island during the wild weather. Health Minister Simeon Brown has ordered an investigation into what happened. He's also asked Health New Zealand to do an audit of backup generation at all hospitals across the country. Auckland's Tamaki Drive has reopened after Wednesday night's fatal crash between a bus and a car. The bus driver died and another person was seriously injured. Fire and Emergency New Zealand's confirmed the fire started in the engine of the petrol vehicle, then spread to the bus. A new report claims New Zealand spends too much money on hospital care and not enough on drugs. The findings from Medicines NZ and the Institute of Economic Research found the country spends the least on pharmaceuticals of any in the OECD. The report says the answer isn't more funding, but greater consideration on where existing health funding is allocated. ACT's pleased its members' bill to ban deepfake porn has been pulled from the biscuit tin. Deepfakes are hyper-realistic AI-generated photos and videos of people, often appearing real. ACT MP Laura McClure's bill seeks to define explicit deepfakes as an intimate visual recording under the Harmful Digital Communications Act. Leader David Seymour hopes to see it pass.
I legalised euthanasia on Private Members' Bill Day, and maybe Laura McClure is about to make a big difference for a lot of young people there too.
Health professionals are raising the alarm over how easy it is to obtain certain products online, despite being banned due to health risks. A New Zealand Medical Journal case report states a 13-year-old boy required major surgery and lost part of his bowel after ingesting 80 to 100 small neodymium magnets. The magnets have been prohibited since 2014. Report co-author Dr. Benora Leka-Malagay says they're concerned these magnets are so accessible and so cheaply available on Temu.